Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Educator. Today we learn about modal verbs. These all are modal verbs. Why we use these modal verbs? Can we use for permission, for ability, for request? What do we use for possibility? Future possibility, and for suggestion. May we use for permission, for future possibility, for uncertainty. Must we use for obligation, for necessity, for future possibility. Might we use for permission, for polite guest, for future possibility. Or advice. And shall we use for suggestion? And for question, the subject pronoun I and we. Should we use for advice, suggestion, for order or instructions? Will we use for future, for willingness, or make promise, offer, and request? This is all about modal verbs. Thank you so much.